It's looking really clean. It looks really clean. Not the engine, that is.
No, the engine's dirty, but where you gonna fix that? So take damper off, all that stuff off, and then you can get to cleaning.
Look at this redneck heater. What is this boy doing?
I don't have a torch or an air gun right now.
How hot do you think it'll get it?
Enough to, if there's any Loctite on there and it softens it up. And it'll heat the block up when we paint it. For the people at home, this is a carbide scraper.
So what you're saying is I should probably flush my coolant a couple times?
Yeah. It won't scratch the deck surface, and what you'll actually uncover by rocking it back and forth, you'll actually start seeing the original machining marks from when the engine was originally machined. That's what these diagonal striations are on the block. That's actually when it was actually decked in the factory. So that's when you know you got all the garbage off there. Just imagine trying to do this with like a razor blade. It would take you forever. This is the next best thing to like actually decking your head, or using like a diamond stone on it or something.
Right.
But diamond stone would actually change the roughness of the head finish. This one shouldn't change the roughness, because this doesn't actually remove any material from the head. If you were to deck it or use a diamond stone on it, it'll actually change the roughness.
And the height?
You're not going to really worry about the height with a stone. What you'd be worried about is the surface finish, like not so much on LS's. They're pretty good because they use like an MLS head gasket usually already. But if this was like a JZ or something, then you'd put like a chromatic gasket on it. You'd want like a certain finish on it for the gasket. And that's when you might want to use a specific stone on it, or take it to a specific place and tell them that you want it finished to this specific fine machining, you know. And obviously you can be rougher with this because it's an iron block. If this was aluminum, you'd really want to be careful about scratching it.
Yeah.
If you rock this one way a little bit, you can put like a deep cut into the block. Enough that could cause issues sealing later. One I haven't touched yet.
Yeah, big difference.
A lot of
gasket material.
garbage.
There's actual metal under there.
Yeah, there is. We'll just clean that up real good with like a wire brush and stuff, but just to kind of see what it looks like underneath there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh yeah.
It worked.
See, my redneck ingenuity worked fine.
I can't believe that
all the
worked.
viewers at home are like, that's never gonna fucking work.
I can't believe that worked. Damn. Just like that.
I know a thing or two, because I've seen a thing or two. Look, you can feel it, Dustin. It's warmed down the whole way.
Oh, hot at the top.
Hot at the top, warm at the bottom. No damper gets stuck with this thing.
Man, that surface is looking good though, man.
Hell yeah.
Shining.
How about having the right tools?
It's all about the right tool.
Me. I'm the right tool.
Is it gonna pop out soon?
Yeah,
Looks like it.
It's
out. Where's she going?
That's the ticket.
Nice.
Just let this thing come out. Hell yeah, brother.
So this one's not a VVTi or whatever, right? Just a old school Chevy LS.
An old school Chevy LS, yeah.
Just how we like them.
Yeah. So we'll strip this down, we'll get the cam out. Just my catch-all basic.
There goes some oil.
That's cool. Perfect. I'm gonna go grab my gloves from my car.
Okay.
While it drips out. I'll get grimy. Our oil pan needs to be about flush with this filter. If we're gonna put it like in the E36. It needs to be that tall. So this one's about 3 inches too tall.
Is that an oil pump in there?
That's an oil pump, yeah. Right now what's holding that in is the lifters. If I turn it, it might come out though. It came out. All you had to do is turn the lifters and knocks them down, I guess. So here it is.
The big reveal.
Big reveal.
Man, it's big. It's a big boy.
Yeah. When we put in there, it's gonna be bigger. That's it. That's the cam.
Are you gonna do the test
What test?
to see if it's good?
Bounce it. That's not really a test, that's just something you do for fun. Weight reduction.
And she's rust free now.
Hell yeah, brother. Now a little brake clean bath. Take your lighter, we'll just light it on fire.
You can do that?
Yeah, it don't really do anything, but yeah, you can do that. Take your lighter, we'll just light it on fire.
You can do that?
Yeah, it don't really do anything, but yeah, you can do that.
Man, it's so much cleaner.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Let that tack up a little.
I don't know, man. It's looking pretty good.
Wait till it dries.
Yeah, true. It's probably looking good because it's glossy and wet.
Well, this is satin black, so it's not flat. It's gonna be like what I have right now.
What do you mean?
Huh?
A semi. I get it. You're talking about your penis.
Yes, subtly, yet not. Leave it at that in case some touch-ups. I'm just chasing the threads here on this 6-liter block. Clean them out for the new ARPs that will go in there. You just gotta watch because early LSs have a short bolt and a long bolt for the head bolts, while later ones are all long.
He's an animal.
Junkyard build, dude. Junkyard build. Gotta be quick. And, you know, it's a cast iron block. You can take these liberties with it. If this was aluminum, I'd be very careful.
You mean if this was your engine?
Yeah, exactly.
Have you ever seen anybody do that?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With a drill?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, okay.
They usually have a tap socket though, not just putting the thing right in the drill, but. Yeah, don't wipe this a little bit.